Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on Slack for new Google Ads lead. So let's suppose I am running a digital marketing agency and I am collecting all the potential leads with the help of Google Ads. Now whenever I receive a new lead, I want to notify my team on Slack and I completely want to automate this process. So to do this automation, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Ads and Slack. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take Google Ads from where I will receive new lead and this complete workflow here will get triggered. And then in my action application, I am going to take Slack where the channel message will be sent automatically as soon as the new lead will be received. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on new Google Ads leads. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Ads leads and Slack with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow and then I need to give the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first, let's name this workflow as how to notify team on Slack for new Google Ads leads. Now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created and I want to select this all automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to notify my team on Slack for new Google Ads leads, which means whenever a new lead will be generated, my team will be notified on Slack, which means whenever a new lead will be generated on Google Ads leads, this complete workflow here will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take Google Ads. And then in my trigger event, I am going to take new lead form entry. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Ads for which a webhook URL is provided to me and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection and to make this connection, let me take you to my Google Ads. So this is my Google Ads account and under the campaign section, I am going to create this form. So I want the first name and the last name. Then I want the phone number, email address, city and the company name. So my form will appear like this and if I scroll down, I can see this option of lead delivery option. So I have to open this and here I can see the webhook URL and the key. So over here I need to enter the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I will copy this webhook URL and paste this webhook URL over here. Now I need to enter the key, so I'm going to enter a random key and then I have to click on this send test data. Now as soon as I click on the send test data, a test data will be sent to my Pabbly Connect workflow and this will show us that the connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect is successful with the help of this webhook URL. And if the connection is not successful, we will not be able to receive this test data. So now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and over here I can see waiting for the webhook response and under this, It's written. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So I will go back to my Google Ads, and from this button send test data, I am going to simply click on this button, and here I can see the test data has been sent. Now I need to open my Pabbly Connect and check whether I have received this test response there or not. And here I can see I have instantly received the response. I have received the email address, the phone number, the first name is first name, last name is last name. Then I have received the company name and the city. So we have successfully received the test data sent by Google Ads in my Pabbly Connect, and this shows that the connection that we have created between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL is successful. And now whenever I will receive new lead in my Google Ads, it will be start showing in my Pabbly Connect also. So now I need to move to my next step, which is action step. And in my action step, whenever I receive a new lead in my Google Ads, I want to notify my team on Slack. So here in my action application, I am going to take Slack. And then in my action event, I am going to take send channel message. Now I have to click on this connect, and if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Slack. Over here it is written enter the token type as either user or bot. Check the documentation to find how to get it. So I am going to enter user over here, and then I am going to click on this save. So I have already logged in my Slack account, and it is advisable to keep your accounts logged in. And now I simply need to grant away some permissions, for which I need to click on this allow, and authorization successful. So Slack is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So here the first one is channel, and to enter this, let me take you to my Slack account. So this is my Slack account, and this is the channel that I have created by the name Google Ads Leads, and I have to enter this channel in my Pabbly Connect. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down choose my channel as Google Ads Leads. Now I have to enter the message that I want to send to my team on my Slack channel. So here I am going to enter hello team. So here I have entered my message, hello team, we have received new lead from Google Ads. Here are the details: first name, last name, email, phone, company, city. Please follow up as soon as possible, and if you need any other information, please ping me. Thanks, regards. Now I need to enter the value of all these fields: first name, last name, email, phone, company and city. And to enter this, I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received response from Google Ads, and as I click on this field, I can see this Google Ads, and as soon as I click on this Google Ads, I will be able to find all the responses that I have received from there. So I am going to enter the first name as this one, and then I have to enter the last name. So I will follow the same process and enter the last name as this one. Now I need to enter the email address. So the email address is test@example.com, and then the phone number is this, and then the company name is company name, and then the city is Mountain View. So over here mapping is important, so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to scroll down, and over here image URL, image alt text, bot name, bot icon are not required field. So I'm going to skip this, and the auto expand link, I want to select this as true, and the link username channel names, I want to select this as true, reply broadcast as false, and then this is not a required field, so I'm going to skip this. After entering all these details, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see I have received the response. Now I need to open my channel and check whether I have received this message there or not. So here, this is my channel, Google Ads Leads, and here I have successfully received the message, "Hello team, we have received new lead from Google Ads. Here are the details: first name, last name, email, phone, company, city. Please follow up as soon as possible, and if you need any other information, please ping me. Thanks, regards." So we have received the exact same message that we have entered in our Pabbly Connect workflow in my Slack channel. And now to summarize, we took Google Ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. From the test campaign, we sent the test data and received the test response in Pabbly Connect, after which we took Slack as our action application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, selected a channel in which we want to send this message, drafted the message and entered all these details with the help of mapping, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as this message being sent on my channel. So we have successfully created automation between Google Ads and Slack with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.